How to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to create a drop-down list on your Google Sheets, head over to your Google Chrome and then open up the Sheets. Now, here I want to put in a pass or fail status. So I'll tap on the cell and then go to data at the top and then go to data validation and then tap on add rule. Now in criteria, make sure that it is selected to drop down, and then here I can put options like option 1 I can put in as pass, and I can even choose a color for pass. I'll put in green, and option 2 I'll put in as fail, and then I'll put in red color. Now I'll tap on done. Now you can see that the drop down has already appeared. I can just drag it down. And then now if I tap on the drop down, here I can just choose the one. So like this, you can see that I have put in the drop down easily. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.